Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sydney and I try to put out videos every week. Today I wanted to do a quick review, my thoughts and how I use the Revlon One Step. I don't even really know what the name of this is. It's like the Revlon One Step blow dryer, blowout tool. I don't know, but I got this from Ulta and it came in the mail yesterday and I had to share my thoughts with you guys. It's kind of funny because for years my mom always uses like these kinds of things, but it's like the round ones, not as square, I guess. And it's just kind of funny seeing everyone using this now because for so long my mom was the only one that I knew that used one of these things. I've been seeing a ton about this and I needed to know if it was worth the hype, so I ordered it from Ulta. It was $60 and I had a $10 off coupon from Ulta, and then I get cash back, and I got, you know how they always do like the free little gifts or whatever? I got a free It's a 10, which I use every single day, so it made sense for me to go that route. But I know they also have it at Bed Bath & Beyond, and they always have coupons, like the $20 or the 20% off coupons. So I think you can definitely get this discounted. I wouldn't pay the full $60. A little about me and my hair. If you know me, I'm not very good at doing my hair, in total honesty. Like, I can do my makeup pretty well. I'm pretty good at makeup. Hair, I don't know what it is. I know my strengths and I know my weaknesses, and doing my hair is one of my weaknesses. So as far as my hair is actually very curly and wavy. I usually just let it air dry. I brush it out so it takes some of the curl out and it becomes more wavy, and then I just let it air dry. My hair is very fine, it's very thin. So a lot of the times when I straighten my hair, since my hair is so thin, it's very like stuck to my head, very flat. I don't know, so that's why I always like when I go to the hair salon and get a blowout, just because it gives my hair so much more volume, and it honestly needs that. Like, I'm the kind of person, since my hair is so thin, if I straighten my hair and sleep on it, it won't be straight in the morning. So like if I put it back with like a hair tie or something, or a scrunchie, it's gonna have a line no matter what. I know there's like the hair ties and scrunchies that are supposed to be, you know, like better for that, but it's just how my hair is. It also gets tangled very easily, so it's very hard for me to get more than one day out of a style or even a wash, to be honest, since my hair is so thin. As I previously mentioned, I'm not the best at doing hair, and when my hair is straightened, it's very flat. So I used this last night. I know there's like some wave going on and stuff, but like I said, I slept on it, and whenever I sleep with, whether it's straightened, whether it's curled, it doesn't last. That's just my hair. So I could have gone over it with a straightener, but I didn't want to. And just because I thought it would get too flat, like I kind of like how this gives me so much more volume than if I were to use a flat iron. Also, that was my first time using it last night, so I know I need to get a little more used to using it because I'm still just trying to like figure it out and see what's up with this. But I know it's one of those things that will get easier, and it wasn't hard, but I'll just get better at the more I do. So I'm very challenged when it comes to hair, and I thought this was very easy to use. I heard that you should blow dry your hair like 80% of the way dry and then use this, and this was fast, this was easy, and I was kind of worried that my hair, since it does get tangled so easily, would get caught and it'd be hard to run this through my hair, but it wasn't. This is, I'm telling you, this is so good. It's so easy and better than straightening, easier than straightening in my opinion. I don't know. I know that people think straightening their hair is really easy, but for some reason it's not easy to me. I don't want to like turn this on or do it right now just because it's like kind of noisy, but I could give you an idea. So like I said, blow dry it 80% of the way, and then you just take it and you just brush through it. So it's nice because it's so smoothing, and if your hair gets tangled like mine, you're brushing it at the same time, because I know like sometimes even if I'm just blow drying my hair, it gets so tangled. So this is like amazing. So this morning I didn't put any extra heat on it, and I think it held up pretty well, honestly. I think almost better than if I straightened it. Like, this is, if I go to the salon and get a blowout and sleep on it, it kind of ends up looking like this like the same way the second day. So I'm not mad about this. Like I said, if I really wanted to go over it again, because you can see some pieces, I could just straighten it, but I wanted to just show you guys. Love the volume this gives you, and I think the price point's really good, because I know like Dyson has a brush, and I think we all know that the Dyson products are very expensive, and like I said, 60 bucks for this and all the coupons that you can apply to this, I think it's totally worth it, and I'm really excited to use this more. So I know that wasn't really a great tutorial, but I did want to share with you guys how I use it. I hope that this was helpful, and I definitely recommend this. I think this is a great product. If you're looking to give yourself a blowout at home, and it's hard to do because you only have 2 hands and you can't see the back of your head, I definitely recommend this. I think this is the best way to do it. I think it's the easiest way, and I think it's better than straightening. Like I said, price point's great, totally worth it. Had to share it with you guys. Let me know if you've tried this or any similar products and what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos. Bye guys.